thinking, you're in a new location. What the fuck are you doing, G? Well, folks, I am in North Carolina, my home state, for Dreamville Festival, the 5th and final Dreamville Festival. So today I'm going to attempt to vlog. I got here Thursday night, so I'm going to attempt to vlog today because I didn't do anything yesterday or my progression of getting here. Because, listen, my shit has been so fucked up, y'all. Like, my flight got delayed 3 times. Then I had plans to go out last night. That shit got fucked up because of niggas. And I didn't really get to like turn up last night. So now is the day of the festival. And so I'm getting ready. I'm almost done. It's like almost 2 o'clock. And so I'm meeting up with some people and yeah. Hopefully today is definitely better than tomorrow. And I actually get to go out later today after the festival. So I'm looking forward to possibly getting drunk. So we're gonna see what happens. Yeah, we're gonna see what happens in the meantime, but yeah. So come along with me on my Dreamville journey because I feel like today is gonna be kind of crazy. And later my best friend, she's gonna be here, so we gonna figure out how shit gonna go. So come along with me to get into the shenanigans of Dreamville, and I hope y'all like the video. Follow me on Twitter at baby_G, and yeah, subscribe, you know, fuck with your girl, like. Oh, and these are my nails for today's trip. Can y'all see that? Focus. These are my nails for today's trip, or this trip, and yeah, I did my hair off or whatever. And so yeah, we're gonna go now. I'll catch y'all in the next clip. Welcome back. Okay, so I'm at the first location pre-gaming with some, you know, friends and new friends of mine. You know, Grace, you know what I'm saying? You know, my girl, you know. And then I just met Miss Angel, right? Yeah, so I just met her. The big one, not the little one. Okay. And so yeah, so you know, we in Raleigh, so I had to meet up with Grace, you know what I'm saying? You know, we had to get a little, you know, a little one in. Hold on, wait, gotta get the camera together here. Shout out to, you know, being able to edit. So, is this mine? I think so. So we're gonna be going to see Chief Keef, right? Get there by Chief Keef.
We're gonna make sure that, yeah, we're there by then.
Okay, yeah, so right now we're pre-gaming. I got like a cider joint or whatever. And so we're gonna be doing that, and yeah, I'm doing my best to vlog. Like, I'm still getting like accustomed to like being on YouTube and stuff, so I'm like, this is cool. But yeah, so we just vibing out until we get to the festival. But yeah, check in at that next point.
They should have clarified.
Be in charge of, but yeah, the rest
So we are on the way to the festival in the Uber.
Yeah, if you go, like, it's like right here.
Take a slight right turn.
All of the scooters are right.
pistol. I let her suck my pistol. She opened up her mouth and then I blow her brains out. You ain't met a nigga like me, you probably never will.
Welcome back to the vlog. I sucked yesterday. Guess what, y'all? I lost my fucking phone.
But we back, baby.
Yeah. We're back for day 2 of Dreamville, you know what I'm saying? Really doing my best out here, doing the best I can with what I have, you know? And so,
And all we got is great personality and great titties.
right. I mean, sure. I'm a little flat chested, but yeah.
They're great nonetheless.
Yeah, welcome back. We're here for day 2 of Dreamville. It's Sunday, and we're a little bit, you know, better equipped this time going around. So today's gonna be a good day. I'm getting fucked today. You know, today was cool. But yeah, right now we're in the Uber, and we're gonna have a good time. So yeah, I'm gonna check in. Follow me on Twitter at babyfollowedbyg. Thank you very much.
We turned the whole house into a weekend. We so come frying shit. Okay, too much cake out wild people. So I'm trying shit. Early bird, get the wine. Keep me head out, want your slime. If your knowledge were your wealth, it would be well earned. We were made in his image. Call us by our name. Now, Moses. Hey! Oh, on and on and on and on. God damn it, I'm sleep on song.
So, charge it to my head and not my heart. Please. I suck at vlogging. As far as like this trip, I've sucked at vlogging, but nothing has gone the way I wanted it to go. So, I'm going to sit y'all here for a second. So, you know, this trip overall has been pretty cool. It's definitely been one of like learning how to like pivot and go with the chaos, even though I'm really not okay with that. Like I had this whole vision, sent motherfuckers an itinerary, like I had a whole like, but it didn't work, or it didn't go the way I wanted it to. I didn't even really get to go out both nights of Dreamville. However, it was cool to see people, like linked up with my best friend, saw some people here in Raleigh, saw some people back home. So it's like, you know, doing my best with what I have. But yeah, thanks for rocking with me on this vlog. Like, I know it was a lot, and I know that it was all over the place. But I go home in the morning, a few hours from now actually. I have to be up at like 3 a.m. So I'm about to watch a movie. I'm about to watch a movie and go to bed so I can be up for the airport shuttle in the morning. So thanks y'all for being here, watching the vlog, and supporting. Make sure y'all follow me on Twitter at babyfollowedbyg, and I will see y'all in the next video, hopefully soon.